All right, friends, for your math practice today, you need to get this piece of paper. Pause the video if you need to find it. Write your name at the top. Without your name, we do not know whose work this is. All right, so you're going to be showing some teen numbers today in two different ways. Let's start at the top. You're going to show this teen number with 5 group drawings. A 5 group drawing is when you have your math circles and nice, neat, organized rows of 5. You're going to show this teen number as 10 ones and some more ones. Pause the video to show this teen number with 5 group drawing. Welcome back, friends. Now we're going to go to the bottom of your page. For this part, you might want to get some cubes. Your teacher might have them in a bag ready for you. With your cubes, you're going to show this teen number. You're going to snap them together to show your 10 ones and your more ones. Then color in these squares below to match this teen number.